How to add follow button on Facebook profile. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Facebook app. And then once we do that, what we're going to do next is to click on our profile, which is right here. And then once you click that, you will be redirected into our profile. Once you do that, we're going to click on the three dots, which is beside edit profile. So once you click that, you will see this turn on professional mode. So what we're going to do is to click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click turn on. After that, just click next, and then click next, and then click next. After that, just click go to professional dashboard. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to click our profile icon on the upper right corner of the screen. And then in this part, we're going to switch into our page account. So just click the drop down button right here and then just choose the page that you're using. Once you do that, just click the profile, which is right here on the upper left. And then in this part, we're going to click on the three dots, which is right here, and then click view as. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have the follow button, which is right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add follow button on Facebook profile.